Hello everyone, welcome back. Whenever you dial a number from your iPhone and the iPhone goes to the speaker mode automatically, then do the following step to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please do like, share and subscribe. First of all, we are going to launch settings. Here we have to tap on Bluetooth and turn off Bluetooth. Then go back to settings, tap on accessibility. Here we are going to tap on touch and tap on call audio routing. Here you will see a three option: automatic, Bluetooth handset and speaker. We have to make sure that we are going to select automatic. After that, go back to settings, general, tap software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version. That's it. By doing this simple and easy step, you will get rid of this issue. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.